Hi everyone! In this session, we will be talking about solving quadratic equations by using quadratic formula. Let us write first the quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus and minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. Take note that you need to perform first the operations in the numerator before you divide it by 2a. Now, if we have the equation x squared plus 3x plus 2 equals 0, this is a quadratic equation, of course. Before you apply this formula, see to it that your equation is written in a standard form, like this. So equals 0, ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. In this case, it is already written in standard form, in which a is, if there is no numerical coefficient, it is understood that it's 1. B is 3, the numerical coefficient of x. And c is the constant, the one that has no variable, it's 2. You are now ready to apply the formula. So negative 3 plus minus square root of b is 9, so that will be 3 squared minus 4a is 1. And c is 2, divided by 2 times a, 1. So x is equal to negative 3 plus minus square root of 3 squared is 9. 4 times 1 times 2 is 8 over 2. So x now is equal to negative 3 plus and minus square root of 1 over 2. The square root of 1 is, of course, 1. So we have negative 3 plus 1 over 2. The other, that is, x is equal to negative 3 minus 1 over 2. What is negative 3 plus 1 over 2? So this one is equal to negative 2 over 2. Negative 2 over 2. This one is x is equal to negative 1. The other, that is x is equal to negative 4 over 2. Or, when you divide, it's negative 2. So, the values of x are negative 2 and negative 1. Example number 2. So, this is not yet arranged in standard because it should be ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So, you need to transpose first 2 to the other side. That will be 2x squared minus x. When you transpose, be sure to change the sign. Minus 2 equals 0. This is 2. Now, let us identify now the a, the b, and the c. The a is 2. The b is negative 1. The c is negative 2. Okay. You are now ready to apply the formula. This is x equals negative 1. So that is negative times negative 1. Plus and minus square root of negative 1 squared minus 4 times 2 times negative 2. So this is x equals negative times negative is positive 1. Plus minus square root of negative 1 squared is 1. Multiply everything. That will be 4 times 2 times negative 2. Negative times negative. That will be positive 16. 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16. Negative, negative, positive. And then over 2a. 2 times 2. 2 times 2. Okay, so this is equal now to x equals 1 plus minus square root of 17 over 4. Take note that 17 has no square root and we cannot simplify that anymore. Therefore, the final answer will be 1 plus square root of 17 over 4. This one is the first value of x, and the second one is 1 minus square root of 17 over 4. This is the second value. That's it.